Hello everyone, I am Govindaraman, currently pursuing my engineering degree in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering with AI as my specialization. So in this presentation, we will be studying about what is OSI reference model, that is Open System Interconnection Reference Model. So let us go deep in it and study what is OSI model. The OSI, which is also abbreviated or it can be called as Open Systems Interconnection reference model, is a conceptual framework that standardizes the functions of a telecommunication or computing system into 7 different layers, that is 7 abstraction layers. If we look into the layers one by one, the first layer is physical layer. Physical layer is used in hardware transmission. It transmits raw data bits over a physical medium. It acts as a physical connection, deals with electrical, mechanical, and functional aspects. It is even used in bitrate control, manages the bitrate and synchronous data transmissions. The second layer is data link layer, frame delimiting, error detection, flow control. In frame delimiting is used in media access control. Error detection is used in logical link control. Flow control is also used in address. The third layer is network layer. in in network layer, three types or three major steps which happens. The first one is routing, second is logical addressing, the third one is packet forwarding. Routing is nothing but it determines the best path for the data to transfer, that is, it determines the best path for data transmission. Logical addressing assigns unique addresses to devices on network. Packet forwarding relays data between different networks. Let us see what is transport layer. Segmentation and reassemble. Divide data into smaller units and reassemble them at the destination. Error detection and correction ensures reliable and error-free data transfer occurs between two networks, or we can say if two devices is interconnected to communicate each other. So it ensures a reliable and error-free data transfer. Flow and con congestion control manages data flow to avoid or lose any kind of packets when the data is transferred from sender to the receiver end. The fourth one is session layer. Dialog control manages dialog control between devices. Session establishment is nothing but it establishes or it starts, or we can say it initiates, manages and terminates any kind of sessions. Data synchronization keeps data synchronized during the communication which is happening from one end to the another end. Layer 6 is presentation layer. The first one is data translation. The second is syntax processing. The third is user interface. In data translation, it translates, encrypts and compresses data for secure transition or transmission. Syntax processing manages data format and structure during transmission of data from one end to the another end. The third is user interface. It manages the formatting and structure of data presentation. Layer 7, or we can say the last layer, application layer. The first one is interface. It provides a user interface and supports for application services. Second one is protocols. Third one is data management. In protocols, it implements various communication protocols, that is UDP, TCP/IP, etc. etc. The third is data management. It manages the data exchange between the host and the user application. So in the picture, you can see the order wise or hierarchical manner of layers. The first layer is physical layer, second is data link, next is network, transport, session, presentation, application. So all the layers which I have explained in short manner, you can go thoroughly and get to know what are the operations and functions which is performed in each individual layer. You can Google it for your further information. So let us proceed. What are the advantages of using OSI model? Standardization. It enhances interoperability and enables easier troubleshooting. Second is modularity. Enables clearer assignment of responsibility across layers. Across layers. The third one is vendor independence. Promotes the use of multi-vendor network solution. Ease of understanding. Offers a structured approach to understand the network functionality. Moving on. Conclusion. The OSI model provides a conceptual framework that standardizes the functions of telecommunications or computing system into 7 different layers or abstraction layers, fostering compatibility and interoperability among various network devices and systems. Understanding the open system interconnection model is fundamental for networking and telecommunications professionals. So each layer in this OSI model is independent and it has its own functions. So it works based on its functions. So if you want to go deeper in this particular segment or in these particular layers, you can Google it. Thank you.